Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to install FFmpeg on any Windows computer. FFmpeg is like an open source tool to record, convert, and stream various media format, and it is quite important for all the recent AI applications like Face Fusion or Root Unleashed. So let's me walk you through to how to install this FFmpeg on your Windows machine in just 5 minutes. Okay, so go to your browser, search for FFmpeg. It will open this website. Okay, now go to download and then select your Windows and go for this build. It will lead you to this website. Let me go back again. When you search FFmpeg, it will bring you to this website, and you select Windows and then download build from gyan.dev. Okay, here you download this full suite. You need 7-zip to, it's a WinRAR file, so you can use WinRAR to unzip it or unrar it. Okay, save it on C drive. Okay, yes, I want to. Okay, there is no permission. Let me first download it on any other web folder. Okay, so this is downloaded, and let me first extract this thing. Now I have to rename it, and to copy this thing and go to my root drive, that is C, Windows drive. I will put it here. Okay, so this is quite simple. You download it. Like for example, I downloaded and put it here. You extract it, rename it as just FFmpeg, put it into your root drive. Here it is. Open this folder, open Win. Now this is your path. Okay, so you copy this path, then go to search, type environment variable. Okay, now you need to add this path. Okay, add this path into the path, user variable path. So select and then click on new. Type this thing, make sure there is no space before and after. Press OK. Verify it. Okay, here it is, right? And now press OK. So that's all you have to do. The FFmpeg is installed. So now what we have to do, we have to test it. So now how you can verify it is installed? You need to click and search CMD, run as administrator. Okay, now here type FFmpeg, hit enter, and it is verified that it is installed. You can also try FFmpeg/version. So here it will give you whether it is a latest build or not. Okay, so this is how you install FFmpeg, and as I promised, it is completed in just 5 minutes. Thank you, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and I will meet you in our next video. And in the end, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time.